Here we have a set of GT40p heads, cast iron, off of a set, or is off of a 2001 Ford Explorer. And I just had them back from the machine shop. They've been cleaned, they've been checked, magged, and decked. I have not yet had a chance to put any oil on these, which I'll be doing in a few moments. Looks these have been lightly decked because I've had the decking clip pieces of the casting numbers or sections of it, and these do not appear that way at all. So these are very lightly decked. They look good. We have no broken studs anymore because I had them removed. I had the classic corner intake manifold studs broken, and these are clear. There's the other front one, or I guess either side, since I'll go either direction. This one also had one, and it's gone now. And same with this corner. All the other ones came out when I pulled the head out of the junkyard. All clear. Nothing needed helicoil, so these are a good set. Oh, everything's still there. The bolt holes are clear, nothing's broken off on either side. Dowel pins will come with it. Although if I was building these, I'd swap them out. Those are cheap. Thanks for looking.